Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Change your mindset. Welcome to this English learning story. In this story, you will meet Maria, a young woman who learns one of the most important lessons in life, that changing your mindset can change your future. By reading and listening, you will improve your English vocabulary, understand everyday phrases, and learn how to stay positive when learning feels difficult. Take your time, read slowly. Let's begin. Maria sat in her small bedroom, her English book open on the desk. The pages were full of words she didn't understand. She sighed and whispered to herself, "Why is this so hard? Maybe I'm just not good at learning languages." Every evening, Maria came home from work, tired from her job at a bakery. She dreamed of working in another country one day, maybe in Canada or the UK, but her English was holding her back. When she tried to speak, she worried about making mistakes. Her tongue froze, her mind went blank, even simple sentences felt impossible. At night, she watched English videos online. She admired the people who spoke easily, smiling and confident. They must be naturally talented, she thought, not like me. Maria didn't realize that the problem wasn't her ability, it was her mindset. One Sunday afternoon, Maria went to a family party. Her cousin Daniel was there, someone she hadn't seen in years. Daniel used to be quiet and shy, but now he was different. He spoke confidently in English with one of their foreign guests. Maria was amazed. "Daniel, your English is so good," she said. "How did you learn? You were never good at school, right?" she joked. Daniel laughed. "You are right. I wasn't. I failed my English exam twice, but then I learned something that changed everything." Maria looked curious. What was it? Daniel leaned closer and said, "It's not about being smart, it's about having the right mindset." Maria frowned. "Mindset?" Daniel explained, "Yes, your mindset is the way you think about learning. There are two kinds, a fixed mindset and a growth mindset. If you have a fixed mindset, you believe your abilities can't change, that you are either good or bad at something. But if you have a growth mindset, you believe you can improve through practice and effort." Maria listened carefully. "So, if I believe I can learn, I actually can." Daniel smiled. "Exactly. When you change your mindset, your results will change too." That night, Maria couldn't stop thinking about Daniel's words. She opened her notebook and wrote at the top of the page, "I will grow, I can improve, I will learn step by step." She made a plan. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, she set small, clear goals. Learn 10 new words each day. Watch one short English video every evening. Write a journal in English twice a week. Speak with one language partner online every Sunday. At first, she made many mistakes. Sometimes she forgot words. Sometimes her pronunciation was wrong. But instead of saying, "I am bad at English," she began saying, "I am learning. I am not perfect yet." This small word yet changed how she felt. It reminded her that progress takes time. Weeks passed. One morning, Maria was at the bakery serving a tourist. The man smiled and said, "Hello, can I have a coffee, please?" Maria froze for a second, then remembered her practice. "Yes, of course," she said, smiling. "Would you like milk or sugar with your coffee?" The man smiled back. "Just milk, thank you. Your English is very good." Maria's heart filled with joy. She realized she had just spoken English without fear for the first time. That night, she wrote in her journal, "Today I spoke English confidently. I still make mistakes, but I am improving. I am proud of myself." Months later, Maria decided to take an online English course. It was difficult. The teacher spoke fast. At first, she wanted to give up, but then she remembered her cousin's words. Your brain is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. She stayed patient. She asked questions, practiced daily, and used every mistake as a learning opportunity. Sometimes she recorded her voice to check her pronunciation. Sometimes she studied late at night after work. Slowly her confidence grew. She began to think differently. Instead of "I can't," she said, "How can I learn this?" Instead of "This is too hard," she said, "This is a challenge, and I like challenges." A full year passed. Maria's English had improved more than she ever imagined. She could have short conversations with tourists, read books in English, and even understand English movies without subtitles. Changing your mindset doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey of patience, effort, and self belief. But when you choose to see challenges as opportunities and mistakes as lessons, you begin to grow in ways you never thought possible. Remember these truths. You are not born good or bad at something. You can always improve with practice. Every mistake helps you get closer to success.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.